Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. I just woke up, so my voice is still a little raspy. I'm still trying to open my eyes up. I feel like my eyes just like aren't completely opened. Today is a very busy day for me, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bring y'all along with me and kind of show you what a typical day in my life looks like. Come on into my life. Let's go, come on. Okay, so I don't know what I wanna make for breakfast. So I either have two options. I can make myself paleo pancakes. They're like gluten-free like pancakes, so it was just made with banana and eggs. Or I can just make myself like eggs with turkey bacon and like avocado. I'm making pancakes. Okay, so I get to show y'all how I make these pancakes. So I take 2 bananas. I just chop them up into the bowl. So I get a fork. And let me tell you guys, when I make these, they are not cute looking. Like, most of the time I can't flip them properly because there's really not that much substance to hold them together. So I have my baby food mixture of bananas. Got 1 egg, crack it in there. So I have my mixture. I like to put in maca powder in it and some cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so I load this in. I know everyone's gonna be like, ew, this looks terrible, because it does look terrible. Tastes way better than it looks. Can't believe I'm making these again. I literally made these yesterday, but they were pretty damn good, so I'm not gonna complain. Okay, let me warn you, they're not cute looking. They're actually pretty nasty looking, but they taste phenomenal. So this is what they look like. So I take some almond butter, just drizzle it on. And then I take honey. And then lastly, I put blueberries on top. Oh, and I made myself coffee, but you guys don't need to see me make coffee. I put clothes up for sale on Poshmark, and I don't know how to ship all the stuff out. Like, they sent me the shipping labels and I need to go and get the shipping labels so I can print them out, and then I need to go get the packaging and stuff. Like, I'm sure it's really simple, but I just have so much to do today, it's like a little overwhelming. Asking NEZZA for help with this because knowing me, NEZZA, I'm gonna ship it off to like somewhere where it's not supposed to.
Oh, for sure.
I'm gonna finish eating these, drink my coffee, try and pack everything up before heading to the studio. I think I can do it. So I'm gonna clean up my room and then probably head to the FedEx thing with NEZZA, because NEZZA's gonna help me because she's done this before and I haven't, and I feel like I'm just gonna mess this all up like I said before. I always have to make my bed in the morning. And it's weird because I've never been like that. I was never like that. And recently, I just always have to do it. I don't know, it's just, when it's all nice and done, it's just, I don't know. Makes me happy when my room's clean. That's the moral of the story. I go grab NEZZA. These pimples are real cute, guys. They're very cute. Bag of stuff. Let's go. Don't give up on us, have faith inside, just hold on, hold on.
Right turn only? Damn it! We missed that, guys.
Driving just stresses me out so much. It's the worst.
People are like, what? Literally everyone hates us. Everyone hates us.
Okay, we are 4 minutes away, so guys, we will let you know when we get there. And like I said, I don't know what to expect at this FedEx ship print center thing. I'm walking into this place with a bag of clothes. Like, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to have this all packed already.
It says ship, so they ship.
Yeah, there's print, pack, ship. Dude, I made sure I got the whole deal. I don't even know where to, are you gonna print it? I need to print it out, yeah. I have to print it. I am already having an anxiety attack. Oh, I have to go to the computer. Where are the computers? Hell yeah, guys, we found the computers. You know what, I'm gonna buy a printer, NEZZA. We really need one. We need a printer, we don't have a printer. Gosh, damn. Wait, it says error. Okay, you gotta do this fast. They charge you by the minute. You guys don't even understand what we just had to go through. Now we have to go to the post office.
Guys, we almost lost the shipping labels. They almost flew away.
Alright guys, so we are here at the post office. Literally attack. packing the bags with the shipping labels, and the people here are not nice. So I'm scared. Literally, mom picked me up.
Pick me up, I'm scared. I really mess things up.
Ness is really struggling right now. Stressful, and I have to be in the studio, like I said, in 20 minutes. Like, it's been such a mission today doing this. Okay. Wait. Yeah, he said I should like.
Oh, magic!
All right, let's get out of here because oh my god. So I am about to head to the studio. I'm a little late right now. Yeah, I just showered and I smell good now. I look beautiful. Okay, yeah, so I'm heading to the studio right now because I have to head to the studio and record and sing and release music for you guys because I'm so excited to show you. Y'all get like a real view of what my life's like. I'm getting hungry. Alright, yeah, so I'm on my way to the studio and then I will film some more when I get there. Wow, this is cool. Say hi!
That's good.
He's always with us the whole night. We're gonna be working for a few hours. Yeah guys, I'm really excited to show you guys the music I've been working on. It's coming out sooner than you think. Yeah. I like that, yeah. Money. Alright guys, so I just got done with the studio and I'm finally heading home. I was there for about 4 or 5 hours. It's been a long, it was not long sesh, but I thought I was only gonna be in there for 2-3 hours, but it was a lot longer than I thought. Yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys what I've been working on. Like I said, it's coming out way sooner than y'all think, and I'm like nervous. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I need to go eat and I need to go to, I'm going to my friend's concert. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this follow me around video or vlog because literally today was a literal follow me around on my normal day because I did not do anything fun except errands and go be all over the place. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on what you want to see me film, put those push notifications on so when I upload y'all know exactly when I do. Don't forget to subscribe and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!